Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Faith Texas, and on this channel we'll learn networking, labs, and real world engineering skills. In part 1, we discuss installation of EVNG, and in part 2, I'll show you step by step on how to download your WinSCP and load your nodes images on your EVNG. So let's get started. First, we'll need WinSCP. WinSCP allows us to transfer files from our PC directly to the EVNG server. So you open your browser, go to winscp.net, and we'll click on our download and install using default settings. So once our WinSCP has been installed, all we have to do is open it and input our host name. Our host name is the EVNG IP address, and to get that, we need to go to our VMware and power it on. Then we'll see our IP address there. So once powered on, we can see our IP address. All we have to do now is to go to our WinSCP and input the IP address as our host name. Then for the username, we are using the root, and for the password, the default password, which is Eve. Then we can leave the file protocol as it is. Our username root and our password Eve. Then we click on login. After logging successfully, you will see two panels. The left side is your local computer and the right side is the EVNG server. Everything will be uploaded, everything we upload will go into the right side, which is our EVNG server. So next what we need to do is to go to our browser and go to drive.labhub.eu.org, and that's where we'll download our images. So we go to add-ons, then queue more, and right here we're going to see all the device images we will need. So all you have to do is you can just go over it and look for the one you need. It can be Cisco IOS, VIOS, Palo Alto, Fortinet, etc. So just go there and look for it, and we download it. So for this video I'll be downloading the VIOS, both the router and the switch. So I'll just go to where it is and download. So if you notice, you see VIOS and you see VIOS L2. So the VIOS is our router and the one that has the VIOS L2 is our switch. So I'll just download one of it right now. So this is what I just downloaded. After downloading, it comes in a zip file. So what you have to do is to extract it into your PC. So I'm going to extract it into my PC, and you choose the location where you want it to be and you extract it in that location. So now what we have to do is to go to our EVNG and go to documentation, and that's where it's going to show you how to install the image on your EVNG. So we'll go to the downloads. So now we just go into our documentation, and on the documentation you can see queue more to images, how to create images, like everything you need to know about the images is here. So on your own spare time you can just go over this and learn all what you need. So for this video we'll be going to how to create images, and as you can see, once we click on it, it's going to bring a drop down of the images, of how to create different images. So if you go through it, you'll be able to see the router node, and when we go down you'll see the switch node. So it's from here we get the instruction on how to create it. So to do that, since we downloaded our router, what we need to do is open putty on our PC. Once in, we just put in our IP address and sign in. So for our login details is root and our password is Eve, and we are in. So the next step is to go back to the documentation and just copy what's there and paste it here. But we need to make sure that the exact name we are using on the documentation is what we downloaded. So as you can see, I just need to be sure that it's the exact name. So once it's the same, we just copy from the first step. So all we have to do is copy this, go to our putty and paste. So click enter, then we'll go back to this and copy the second one. And we paste it too and enter. So after doing that, for this next step, we'll have to go to our WinSCP that we install and do the next step. To go to our WinSCP, we'll locate this part on our PC. So we'll go to the left hand side, and where we extracted it, we'll locate it there. So on the right hand side, we can start with that. So just go back. And as you can see, this is the folder we are looking for. So we'll have to go to our PC and locate the same folder there, the one we extracted. And what I have to do is to just drag this and paste on the other side and okay it. So once it's done, we'll go back to our putty and fix permission. So we'll go to the next step, which will copy and just paste. So this is the final step. Copy this, and paste. So once you are done fixing the permission, you just power your EventG to be sure that your images has been installed there. So to do that, we'll go to our browser and log into our EventG. So we use this test we created in part 1 and open. So you just right click and go to nodes. As you can see, everything is grayed out except the one we just downloaded, which is this Cisco IOS router. And once we click on it, you can see and save. Voila, our router has been installed. So the next thing we can do is we will install our switch the same method, just the VIOS L2, install it, go to our EventG documentation, follow the step, go to our WinSCP, drag and drop it on the server side, and we'll go back to our GUI and check. And once we do all those steps, our nodes have been installed. So just watch the few steps while we wait for it to download, and you see the process again. So as you can see, the name of what I downloaded is the same with the one we're going to use, so we don't need to change anything. All we can do is just copy and paste it on our booty. So we just copy this and paste it on putty. So once we are done with the second step, we'll go back to our WinSCP and drag and drop. So all we have to do is locate the folder on our server side, then go to our PC side, which is on the left hand side, and locate the file we extracted. So once we are done dragging from our PC to the server side, just go back to putty, or better still go back to EVNG, copy the final fixed permission and go to our putty and paste it there, and we'll be done with that after that. So once we are done, we refresh our EVNG, go to our nodes, and as you can see, we have two nodes that are now below the switch and the router. We just open our switch and save, and we are good. So guys, if you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comment section. That will be the end of part 2. In part 3, we'll start building actual labs and configuring devices. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.